Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2000 ECE paper, and this question is related to analog circuits. Look at the circuit diagram given with op amp. For the circuit shown in the figure, V0 is, what is the output voltage? V0, A minus 1 volt, B 2 volts, C plus 1 volt, D plus 15 volts. What will be the right answer? So first of all, try to identify the op amp operating in which mode, whether it is inverting mode or non-inverting mode. That is the basic thing what we will do generally. Okay, so from that one we can say that one here it is acting as, okay, and the feedback is connected. You may be thinking that one it may be in the non-inverting mode. Remember that it is not either non-inverting or inverting mode. Okay, so generally you have to check first of all whenever you are going to given any op amp circuit. First of all, the first step what you have to identify is nothing but whether the feedback is positive feedback or negative feedback. So you have to check output is going to be feeding back to inverting terminal or non-inverting terminal. If the output is connected to, if the V0 is connected back to, if the V0 is connected to, that is if the output is connected to inverting terminal, inverting input, then it is negative feedback. So if the output is connected to inverting input, by that time the feedback is known as negative feedback. And otherwise, if the output is connected to, if the output is connected to non-inverting input, then the feedback is called as positive feedback. Okay, so there are two types of feedback can exist in op amp because there are two inputs. One is inverting input, the other is non-inverting input. For any given circuit, first thing is nothing but you must check what is the type of feedback signal, what is the type of feedback employed. Here it is, the given circuit is employed with positive feedback, but remember that only negative feedback is going to be used for the amplifiers. So if the op amp is having negative feedback, then only there are three different cases are going to be existing. One is inverting mode op amp, the other is non-inverting op amp, non-inverting mode op amp. So op amp, that is operational amplifier, can act as amplifier either in inverting mode or non-inverting mode or differential mode only when the feedback is negative. So by that time the gain is, if you are going with gain is, for this inverting op amp gain is RF by R1, for non-inverting op amp gain is 1 plus RF by R1, and for differential mode also the gain is minus RF by R1. So this is going to be the gain provided for the amplifiers whenever the feedback is negative. But remember, whenever the feedback is positive, only one application, always it acts as comparator, and whenever it is acting as comparator, the output may be at either plus VCC or minus VCC, plus or minus VCC. In our case it may be at plus 15 or minus 15. So when it will be in plus 15, when it will be at minus 15, for that one V0 is equal to plus VCC if voltage at non-inverting terminal is greater than voltage at inverting terminal. That is, if the voltage at non-inverting terminal is dominating over inverting terminal voltage, by the time output will be at plus VCC. Otherwise V0 will be at minus VCC if the voltage at inverting terminal dominates over voltage at non-inverting terminal. So first step you have to check about the feedback. From the feedback we can assume that when it is acting as comparator, and then you have to check about which terminal is dominating, voltage at which terminal it is dominating. So now inverting terminal is connecting with ground, that is 0 volts, whereas non-inverting terminal is connecting with plus 1. So plus 1 is more than 0 volts, so output will be at plus 15 volts. So the right answer for this question is D. If in the question, okay, we will modify this question. If it is given as, instead of plus 1, if it is given as minus 1 volt, then what will be the answer? If it is given as minus 1 volt, then the output will be at minus 15 volts, because 0 is greater than minus 1, so inverting terminal dominates, so that the output voltage is at minus 15 volts. Okay, so for this question the right answer is D, 15 volts plus.